Today for PrimeRx Market, we're going to go over a few more pages. We're going to go over how to add a favorite. We're going to go over the view cart quickly and also the checkout page. We're going to start with the favorites. As you can see, I'm on the home page. This product right here, it shows that it is already in the favorites. So we're going to click on this heart, and when you do that, it's going to add this product to your favorites. So the reason that you use this button is so that if it's an item that you're going to purchase on a regular basis, something that you keep in your pharmacy normally, you can easily find it by clicking on the favorites page. As you can see, the product that I just added to my favorites is at the top. If you click on this arrow, it's going to show you all of the suppliers that have this product, their expiration date, the price from cheapest to most expensive, and the quantity. And from here, you can add it to your shopping cart if you would like to. As you can see for this product here with AHDS, we already have one in the shopping cart. So we are going to go up to the top and look at the view cart. This is so that you can quickly see what you have in your shopping cart, where you're at as far as the minimum, the cutoff time, and also the view catalog. As you can see, the sources total is right here. If you scroll down, each one is going to have their own total. Now we're going to move along to the checkout. So in the checkout, we all use this on a regular basis. We will see all the information for each supplier that you are wanting to purchase with. Their name, if they're ADD, you'll see that, the view catalog, the cutoff time, and going on to the products, you see that this product is an OTC. It says over the counter. You see that there is an expiration date for this product, but not for this one. That means that this product will not expire for at least 1 year. And then you see the type for the product is an O, which means OTC. And for this product in particular, there's an ADR, which is authorized distributor of record. So that means that you can purchase this if that is a requirement. You also see there is a box here that says sources order notice. This is good information for you to have and for you to make sure that you pay attention to. And if you're just shy of meeting the shipping minimum, you can click recommended products to add, and you'll get a list of products that are most commonly purchased, and you can just toss them in there if needed. If you would like to dig deeper, you're looking for something specific, you have the view catalog. Now going down a little bit further, you can see with the AHDS order, there is a green bubble, and there's also an orange rectangle and a bell. This green bubble will tell you that there's another supplier that has this product cheaper by 2 cents. So if you click on the bubble, it's going to bring up the one that you have in your shopping cart right now and other sources that have it. As you can see, this one is the one that's 2 cents cheaper. It's $4.88 versus $4.90. But what you're needing to pay attention to on this is the NDC. If you need to be NDC specific, make sure that you're paying attention because this changed. It's no longer this one. And most of these are a different NDC. So if you need to be NDC specific, pay attention to this column so that you can make sure you get the correct NDC. For an example for this one, if you wanted to change for that 2 cents, you just click that little button and hit change supplier. And it's going to add it to your shopping cart with the new supplier. Okay. Scrolling down again, we have the orange box and the bell. Anytime you see the orange box and the bell, make sure you click on that bell because it's going to tell you that your item may go ground and it may ship separately than the rest of the order because it has to go ground. There's also the same notice is also in the box down here. It says this item may be shipped separately, subject to ground shipping only. There's also another notice that tells you that this supplier specifically charges 3% credit card fee if you're purchasing with a credit card. And it also tells you the first order notice. And of course, past the cutoff time. If you scroll down a little bit further in this shopping cart, you see there's another green bubble, another square, and another bell. There's this bell that says ground shipping only, and there's also a next day delivery one for cold items. So if an item is cold and it has to ship overnight, you're going to get this bell as well and the orange box around that item to give you notice that that item has to ship overnight. So you have to meet that overnight shipping minimum. And if you are wanting to check out all products all at once and you've met all of the different minimums, all you have to do is click on check out all. It will confirm all orders with you and place all orders with each separate supplier. All right, that is everything that we are going to go over today. And I appreciate you listening. I hope you have a great day and thank you for using PrimeRx Market.